Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Code and Silicon. We've been exploring the world of computer science, and today we're looking to the future. We've covered a lot of ground, from transistors to Python programming. Now let's talk about what's next. We started with the basics: transistors, logic gates, and the architecture of a computer. We learned how these tiny switches can process information and execute instructions at lightning speed. And we even learned to speak to them using Python. Now let's look at the four major areas of tech: the internet and networks, databases, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. Each of these areas is vast and complex, but with your newfound foundation you're ready to explore. The internet and networks. Think of the internet as a bridge connecting computers worldwide. You'll learn how data is transmitted and received. Databases. Every time you like a photo or buy a book online, that data has to live somewhere. Databases are like digital filing cabinets. Artificial intelligence. AI is about teaching computers to recognize patterns, rather than giving them strict instructions. Cybersecurity. As we put more of our lives online, protecting our digital doors is crucial. Want to learn more? Check out these free resources: Harvard CS50 Free Code Camp, Microsoft Learn, Khan Academy, and the Odin Project. These will help you dive deeper into the world of tech. Now it's your turn. Take 15 minutes today to explore one of these topics. Prove to yourself that you have the foundation to learn anything you want. Congratulations on finishing this course, and we'll see you in the next video. Embrace the rhythm of creation. Code with passion, recharge with purpose, and rise each day ready to build again. May the force guide your journey in programming.